Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I found another penny stock, a MJ play here. Just thought it was kind of interesting. I think there's some potential here, but this is a penny stock over the counter, so definitely be careful with this one if you're looking to get into it. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. I'm just bringing some good stocks here to watch. I'm just here for your edutainment. That's education and entertainment. But this one is called the Supreme, we'll just say MJ Company Incorporated. There's the ticker SPRWF, and as you can see, it's over the counter. The Supreme MJ Company engages in the production of medical MJ in Canada. I haven't tried to buy this one yet. I recommend with the over-the-counter Fidelity when you buy these through, well, you can buy them through TD, Ameritrade, but when you do buy them, you're going to be paying a commission close to $7. So if you want to save the $7, go to Fidelity. The company was formerly known as Supreme Pharmaceuticals and changed its name to Supreme MJ Company in December 2017. The Supreme Company was incorporated in 1979, headquartered in Toronto. You can kind of see what it's done here over the, well, that was Friday, kind of what it's done here over the last week. So 23 cents to almost doubled there. It was probably a Wednesday, and then ever since then it kind of came down. This one's had kind of some flat action over the last year, but maybe you can see all the volume coming in here, and then the run up, but maybe with the Dems getting in and getting closer towards legalization, again, I'm just totally being optimistic. Maybe this one will run up, but just thought it was one to watch since it is a penny stock at 31 cents, so definitely one to put on the radar. This is their actual website. We simply grow better. Sites on growing most product. We kept ours craftsmanship. Producing the best MJ possible remains our obsession because of our consumers expect nothing less. We've grown as entrepreneurs and as producers. And the only reason I'm looking at this one, I think it's got some potential, and again, it's a penny stock. But the more I look into it, it just looks like there could be some growth here. Looks like they're changing their landscape. Kind of not much here on the website, just kind of the basics. If you want to see some of their brands, growing portfolio of brands, and I'm sure all of these, with the Dems and everything getting in and getting closer towards legalization, they're just going to be expanding their portfolio of brands, whether it be some of the oils, just kind of getting into a lot more products, just anything to expand their sales and appeal to their customers is what you need to do to stay in this game. So we've emerged as one of the world's fastest growing premium plant-driven lifestyle company by effectively deploying capital, and you can read the rest there for yourself. Pause it if you may. Here's kind of some of their different things they're into. 7 Acres takes pride in growing high-end MJ that respects each cultivator's genetic lineage and history. And this is on their actual website, www.supreme.ca/brand-portfolio. And I just found it by typing in the ticker. Blisco is dedicated to providing premium MJ products derived from whole flower to benefit the whole you. Truvera is dedicated to being a global leader in the development, production, and marketing of MJ-derived medicinal products. So you can kind of see there in quite a wide buffet, if you will, of products. Sugar leaf, you can even get your sugar. Hey, sugar. Sugar leaf is crafted from the trichome dense cured sugar leaves of the MJ flower. Sugar leaves are the short trichome covered leaves sprouting from the bud of the MJ plant as it flowers. Very interesting stuff. The more I study MJ, the more interesting it is in regards to flowers. And if you've ever been in a dispensary, I was in one for the first time last March in Denver, and you almost have to have a degree. I just thought, MJ's MJ, but there's a medicinal and a recreational side, so on the different type of HIGHs that you want to get. So again, I don't want to hurt my channel or get, not that I'm monetized yet, but when I am, hopefully soon, I want all my videos to be monetized, and so that's why I spell some of that out. But Highway is a high quality, high value brand committed to simplifying your MJ purchase. MJ consumers have been around for a long time and know exactly what they want, a no fuss product they can trust. And here's just some of their operations. A couple quick links. And that's about it on their website. Here's announces their financial results Q2 2021. As you can see, this is just on Thursday the 11th. Continued strong revenue growth and operational efficiency. Positive adjusted EBITDA. Consolidated net revenue. If you just would like to pause and go over that there for yourself. Again, it's a Canadian business. Watch these when you purchase them. I purchased one, I can't remember last week what it was. It was a MJ stock Canadian one. They did not charge, but I tried buying one on Friday. I can't remember what the ticker was, and they were trying to charge a fee because of the different exchange in American money as opposed to Canadian money, and I thought it was like a $50 fee, so I didn't buy it. So, but if you're trying to purchase these, I haven't tried to purchase this one. I just found this one. I might try to buy some on Monday. Like I said, it's a penny stock, and I've gotten into a lot of penny stocks here lately. If you follow my channel, so. Speaking of these products, I've released a couple ETFs tonight. CNBS is an MJ ETF. POTX is an MJ ETF. FRIA I did a video on, as well as Tilray. My latest favorite product in the MJ field, it was a MJ breathalyzer. The ticker is BLOZF. Cannabis Technologies. Check all of those out. That was a really interesting one. But again, this is just in regards to their last financials, so go ahead and pause and read the rest there for yourself. I want to click on this cash and see what this is. Meta Financial Group. Might have to look into that one. Back to Reddit. There's quite a bit of talk here on this one. And just in the last week, so I think this might be one to watch. Not that I give tax, legal, or trading advice. And if you haven't hit that like button, you should go ahead and hit that for me. That really helps out the channel, as well as subscribing. I've had a lot of growth here in the last week, and hit my goal of 400, trying to get up to 500 and then 1,000. So, but there's a lot of talk here about this one here on Reddit. I've kind of used this as another source to look up different things and learn about it and see what people are talking about since the GameStop and Bed Bath & Beyond and BlackBerry and all that. So it's been kind of a fun one to watch and see, but I think from what I can see, a lot of people are bullish on this one, and probably because it's a penny stock. I've covered sundial on the channel quite a few times. If you have any of these, or if you want to list your favorite MJ play in the comments, go for it. Or if you want me to do a video on any other MJ plays out there, feel free to list that in the comments as well. This is on StockTwits. I did a high tide video. I think I tried buying this one on Fidelity. If I didn't tell you already, if you can buy these on TD Ameritrade. If you do, you're going to be paying a commission. I recommend Fidelity. High tide is another Canadian one, and I think they were going to charge $50 to buy that one. So definitely watch before you send the order through, because they might charge you for this one since it's a Canadian one as well. If you know of any platforms out there to buy Canadian ones and get around that fee, put that in the comments as well. And if you're looking for a different platform outside of Robinhood, I have several links in the description, whether it be Webull, Moomoo, Firstrade. I have several in there. You can get a free stock, and that helps out the channel as well. But there's been quite a few comments here about this one, so I think I'm going to look into on Tuesday. If you don't know, markets are closed on Monday in regards to President's Day. But there's quite a bit of talk here about this one here on StockTwits, and everybody's bullish on it. So again, you can find that on StockTwits. Just type in the ticker and see all the comments. And of course, they don't give much here on tip ranks. But that is it for Supreme MJ Company. I just wanted to make a video about it since it is a penny stock, and thought it would be one to look at and one to put on your radar. And if you have this one, leave that in the comments as well. And if you're thinking about buying it, leave it in the comments as well. Or if you know of any other good information about this one, that would be interesting to know as well. Again, this is J Money following Ford Financial. Thank you for watching. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.